Hi, welcome to the online version of Logo. Just to run through some different commands that you may see, we're going to start looking at these instructions over here. And each one of these is called a command. And they're a little different from something called a program because a command is a small feature of a program. So I want to run through these very quickly. If you were to type in FD and 10, you'll see that the turtle will move up 10. Doing a CS, which clears the screen. If I was to do an RT90, it will turn the turtle. I could then do a CS again, and that will clear the screen. Doing an LT90 will turn the turtle to the left. Again, coming back with a CS. CS will always clear your screen. If you do want to keep the stuff that's on your screen and you want to come back, this is something that you should do. Here's a BK. I'm going to do 20. And I want to be able to come back, keep that line on the screen. So I would just do CT, and that will bring it back. Pen up. This allows you to move on the screen without making a line. So you see I just moved 3 and did not make a line that time. I'm going to do CT, come back. And this time I'm going to do pen down. And I'm going to do a CS. And I'm going to type in what we have right here. And I have to type in the word repeat. And then I will have to do a 4. And I'm going to go and make a bracket. And sometimes you need to have no space after that. FD10, RT90, and then close it up with a bracket. And you have to have this bracket. That bracket's located directly above the enter key. If you took the E from the enter key and went upward, that you would hit that key. And it should make a square all the way around. I'm kind of confused as to why it did not. So I'm going to do a CS here and a CT. I'm going to go and highlight this and see if that works by me copying it, pasting it. And I'm going to change this repeat to repeat 6 and see what happens now. Now I made my square. I'm going to do a CS, clear that screen out. I'm going to try it one more time. See if for some reason I actually needed to put that 6, and I did not. Now you'll see where it says pen color. Alright, pen color, PC2, PC3. If you just type in CS, and we're going to do a PC, and we'll type in, let's say PC4. And now we're going to do FD3. Oh, and you can see it's yellow. It's you have to almost look very, very close to see it. So I'm going to do a PC, and I'm going to do what our example was, which is blue for 1. I'm going to do 2, see if I get red. And I did. So right now I have, if you look close enough, you'll see a yellow and a blue, or a yellow and a red. And this was our first challenge. So those are the items that I need you to do when you do a first challenge. And when you come to the second challenge, now you need to follow the instructions to make this. Here are the instructions. You need to go and make this L. And you would make the L by following the instructions over here on using turning and forward and back on how to make this. And once you have made this, you should have it here. And when you place it here, I want you to take a picture of it. Now, to take a picture of it, you will need to use something called Nimbus, which is right here. And you would just simply click on Nimbus, come down, choose selected area, and then you would just draw a picture around what you made. You can even adjust it and click save, and then it will save to your Chromebook. Good luck.